Hello, I'm Andy. Do you have a broken vacuum? Take it to Handy Andy's. We repair all vacuum cleaner brands and sell parts. We give free estimates, have free loaners, guarantee at work, and take trade-ins. We also make the best new vacuum you'll ever own. Our Handy Andy's Quality Vacuum Cleaner is highly recommended and has excellent reviews. Come see me, Henry Paul, for Handy Andy's amazing service and guarantee. Buy your new vacuum at Handy Andy.